Have you ever wondered why, even after sleeping through the night, you wake up feeling tired, with a body that feels weak, depleted, and drained of energy? And furthermore, why your legs becoming heavier and your arms feel weaker, lacking strength? The answer may lie in something simple, yet widely ignored. What you eat before you go to sleep. And no, we are not talking about miracle formulas or expensive medications. Today, we are going to reveal the four most powerful, natural foods that work silently during sleep and help older adults maintain muscle mass, restore vitality, and wake up with more vigor. And the last one on the list is so effective that just a few spoonfuls are enough to notice a difference the very next day. If you are over 60 or care for someone in that stage of life, this video can transform your routine. So, stay with us until the end, because the answer to years of muscle loss might be in your refrigerator, and you may not even know it. As the years go by, muscle loss, known as sarcopenia, becomes a silent threat to the autonomy and independence of older adults. But what many ignore is that the most efficient way to combat it isn't found in gyms or complex treatments, but in nighttime nutrition. This is because our body carries out 9 muscle regeneration processes during deep sleep. It is precisely that moment when the right nutrients make all the difference. That's why today you will learn about 4 strategic foods to consume before sleeping, which can act as true allies against muscle loss. And pay attention, these foods are accessible, safe, and backed by scientific ends. It's enough to know what to eat. It's crucial to understand how and why they work, and that is what you're about to discover. Imagine waking up one day and realizing that a night of sleep wasn't enough to feel rested, that your daily routine has become more challenging, and that staying active for hours, even at work, has become a major effort. Now reflect. What if you could prevent all of that with a proper, balanced diet? The truth is that over time our body absorbs fewer nutrients and loses efficiency in regenerating tissues, especially muscular ones. This directly affects your mobility, balance, and even your self-esteem. Stay calm. The good news is that science has already identified which foods are capable of slowing down this process. And this video is aimed to show you exactly what they are, how to consume them, and what mistakes to avoid to ensure maximum benefits. Before we talk about the 4 foods, it is important to emphasize that no single food works miracles on its own. It is the combination of intelligent nutrition and the regular practice of physical activity that truly yields lasting results. When you unite these 2 pillars, the body responds in a surprising way. Light exercises such as walks, stretches, and functional training adapted to your reality, combined with the right nutrients, the right time, have the power to restore muscles, improve sleep, reduce pain, and increase your energy throughout the day. And the best part, all of this without medication, without side effects, and with complete safety for your age. Now, with this clear understanding, let's get straight to matters. The 4 most effective nighttime foods to protect your muscles while you sleep. If you find this content useful, don't put it off. Subscribe now to the channel, leave your like, and share this video with your parents, friends, and family who are already feeling the effects of age on their bodies. It may seem like just a day ingredient, but the hard-boiled egg is, without exaggeration, one of the most potent foods a must use in later life. While may better expensive supplements or processed formulas, you know that a simple egg consumed at night can activate intense muscle reconstruction processes during sleep. This happens because it contains all the essential amino acids, meaning it provides the body with exactly what it needs to repair damaged fibers and stimulate muscle growth naturally. Lysine particulate is present in good quantity in the egg and is crucial for triggering protein synthesis, which is precisely what prevents sarcopenia, the progressive loss of muscle mass. However, the benefits don't end there. The egg is also rich in choline, a fundamental nutrient for maintaining sharp brain function, something indispensable for older adults who wish to preserve motor coordination and memory. In addition, it offers small doses of vitamin D, which aids in calcium absorption of bone strengthening, an essential point for preventing falls and fractures. Consuming 1 or even 2 hard-boiled eggs approximately 1 hour before sleeping can be the difference between waking up feeling tired or with energy and readiness to face the day. And being slow to digest, the egg releases its nutrients gradually throughout the night, nourishing its body exactly when it needs it most. At the peak of cellular regeneration during the deep phases of sleep. Now that we understand the silent, a powerful role of the hard day during the night, it's with two fruit many underestimate due to its simple appearance, the kiwi. The so-region high to wealth of essential nutrients that go far beyond the fashion faced. It makes it an ideal nighttime allies of just as vitamin coherent, but its ability to promote truly restorative sleep. Scientifically proven, the kiwi contains naturally occurring melatonin, which makes it perfect for older adults facing mild insomnia or difficulty reaching the deep stages of sleep. Another advantage worth mentioning is its high concentration of vitamin C. A single unit provides more than an orange, which strengthens not only the immune system, not only collagen, that key protein for the health of muscles, tendons, and joints. Additionally, the kiwi is packed with antioxidants, like rutin and vitamin E, which help reduce muscle inflammation and accelerate recovery processes after light physical exercises such as walks or adapted functional routines. Its potassium contribution also deserves to be highlighted, as it collaborates with efficient muscle contraction and fluid balance in the body. Including a kiwi in your dinner or as a dessert before bed is a practical and delicious way to improve the quality of your rest, take care of your musculature, and maintain vitality. It provides soluble fibers that facilitate digestion and stabilize blood sugar, which prevents nighttime wakings caused by hypoglycemia. Containing this live foods that nourish while you sleep, we rather to ancient ingredient that has gained space in modern research, turmeric, or sans golden powder for its medicinal properties. This ancient root is a potent natural anti-inflammatory, ideal for older adults who feel stiffness or muscular discomfort upon waking. The key is in curcumin, its most powerful active compound, which acts by neutralizing the free radicals responsible for cellular aging and tissue deterioration. When consumed at night, combined with a warm beverage like plant-based milk and a pinch of black pepper, turmeric is optimized. This mixture, besides being comforting, activates cellular regeneration during deep sleep. What few people know is that recent studies have shown that consuming turmeric daily for at least 6 weeks can significantly improve joint mobility and muscle resistance in people over 60. And the best part, without side effects or interactions with common medications. By interaction with root into the nighttime routine, the body receives not only a natural soothing agent for the muscular system, also an indirect stimulus for more efficient rest. Turmeric promotes relaxation without causing excessive drowsiness, which is ideal for those who wish to sleep well without feeling sedated. Further, its mild thermogenic effect contributes to accelerating the basal metabolism during the night, favoring both recovery and body weight control in advanced stages. After Ray reached the peak of fitness, went to learn the next one. Hydrolyzed collagen combined with vitamin C. This duo is like a master key for preserving the strength, elasticity, and stability of muscles, tendons, and even the joints. Starting from the age 50, the body drastically reduces its ability to produce collagen naturally, which translates into more pain, stiffness upon waking, and greater vulnerability to injuries. Including this combination in the nighttime routine can make a real difference in how you feel the next day. What makes this formula special is that hydrolyzed collagen comes pre-digested into smaller peptides, which facilitates its absorption. But for the body to truly utilize it, it needs vitamin C. Without it, a large part of that collagen ends up being wasted. That's why many specialists recommend consuming both together, about an hour before sleeping. Clinical studies are showing older adults who incorporate this mixture for at least 12 weeks reported a significant improvement in mobility, a reduction in joint pain, and an increase in functional strength. Moreover, this synergy also stimulates the regeneration of connective tissue, something essential for anyone who wants to maintain posture, avoid falls, and move forwards. It can be taken dissolved in water, in the form of a powder supplement, wallet, or even mixed with natural yoga. What's next interesting is that by acting during the deep phase of sleep, nutrients work in signs to rebuild what times weakened without causing overload demanding great efforts. So after this journey through the 4 key foods to consume before sleeping, it becomes clear that nighttime nutrition is not just the detail. It is a powerful strategy for preserving strength, vitality, and independence in our later years. In a world where sarcopenia, high loss of muscle mass, affects more than 30% of adults over 60, adopting intelligent habits can mark the difference between dependence and total autonomy. And the most fascinating part is that we are not talking about inaccessible formulas or industrialized products. We are talking about real everyday foods backed by solid scientific evidence. From the anabolic power of the hard-boiled egg, through the natural melatonin of the kiwi, the anti-inflammatory action of turmeric, up to hydrolyzed collagen with vitamin C, each of these ingredients plays a specific role in preventing muscle loss, improving sleep, and maintaining an active life. And all of that while you rest. That is, while you sleep, your well-nourished body works to give you back energy, mobility, and firmness. If you are over 60 or accompany someone who is, remember, what you eat before going to bed matters, and a lot. Because at this stage of life, every gram of muscle counts, every night of deep sleep adds up, and every small habit can build a future with fewer limitations. So take care of your dimmer as you take care of your day. And if this content resonated, you don't forget to share it with those love. That no one else wake up with weak legs or low energy without knowing a solution could be in a simple plate. If you found this content useful, don't put it off. Subscribe now to the channel, leave your like, and share this video with your parents, friends, and family who are already feeling the effects of age on their bodies. Remember, small actions today can guarantee great results in the future. And if you want to continue learning about health, functional nutrition, and simple strategies for aging with quality, click on one of the videos that are now appearing on the video. Big hug, and until the next content.